What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to take a look at this suction mount right here. Now I was sent this suction mount to try out, to show you guys the features of this and how you can use this on your phone. Now for me, if I'm using this on my phone, sometimes you want to go out and you want to have a hand-free, like for example you want to mount your phone on somewhere and you don't have a tripod. Now this is what comes in that you can use to just slap it on your phone right here, just like so. As you can see, so you have a suction mount right here on your phone, so you can place your phone whether on a glassy surface, whether on like a plastic or anywhere that's smooth, which this can stuck onto. Now be careful when you're putting this though, because you want it to suction very tight. As you can see, you see those suction right here, it will suck very tight on, so it hard to fall off. Then you can mount your phone on somewhere, like for example if you're in the kitchen, you can mount this on like on the fridge. If you're like a makeup artist and you just want to have some recording, you can mount this on like a glass, just anywhere that have a smooth glossy surface. This right here can mount onto it and it work really great. So you can use it in with your case or without your case, it will work perfectly fine, and it's something that I use and I recommend.